Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's happening? This M.O.N.E.Y here. I'm whispering, guys, because I'm trying to keep this a secret. If you're watching this video right now, you probably found this VHS tape about 30 years later. But I wanted to share a secret with you guys that's going to happen in the future. Guys, in the future, there will be no more pagers. Nobody will have a beeper anymore. People will be using cell phones. And people won't even have house phones in their house anymore. Everybody will be communicating through cell phones. And guess what? There'll be this thing called texting. And people will be texting, and instead of calling each other, they'll be using their cell phones to text each other. Guys, it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Hey, another thing I want to share with you guys. You know what? In the near future, you guys are going to have a black president of the United States of America. I know you probably can't believe that right now, but you guys are going to have a black president of the United States of America. And this is going to really surprise you. He'll have 2 terms. You believe it or not, 2 terms. Trust me, guys, if you're watching this, if you look back and you say, wow, how can this guy predict this like 30 years ago? And it comes true. Let me tell you something else. Guys, if you're watching this right now, you want to get started in business with this guy. Guys, there's this thing called the internet, and people are making lots of money on the internet, and they're doing it legally, and they're doing it honestly, and they're doing it with credibility. Guys, there's this thing on a computer called the internet where you can reach globally and expand your reach and bless and see and teach other people how to do miraculous things, guys, and you can get wealthy. If you're watching this video right now, you want to get with the guy that's sharing you on this video. Guys, he knows what he's talking about. He knows the future. He's predicting your future too, because you're going to get started with him right now. You're going to push that button. You're going to get started so that you can make money on the internet just like him and his family is doing. Guys, this is totally awesome. There's another thing. There's this thing called Facebook. Guys, you don't know about it right now, but in the future, Facebook is going to be how people communicate globally. Guys, it's going to be absolutely phenomenal, absolutely amazing. And there's this thing called YouTube, where people will make videos, and they'll make funny videos, cat videos, riding on their bike videos, dancing videos, wedding videos, business videos, training videos, teaching videos, funny videos, serious. Guys, and people will be watching these things on this thing called YouTube. You probably don't believe me right now, but trust me, these things are going to come to fruition. Guys, get started with this guy in business. He knows what he's talking about. I know this is an old VHS tape. They don't play VH tapes anymore. But if you found this tape, you're on the right page. You're on the right path. You've been following this guy for some time. He's telling you guys, get started with him right now. Change your financial future for the better. He knows what he's talking about. M.O.N.E.Y signing out.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.